Hi, it's Adrian from Advanced Dental Artistry in West Perth. I want to talk you through an all-on-4 case actually, where we're doing just the upper teeth. I want to show you Doreen's case. She's actually wearing a partial plate that replaces many of her front teeth. So the main issue here is that she's got a partial denture, it replaces most of her front teeth, and you can see that there's some wires and clasps that are holding that partial denture, and what's happening is this denture is actually falling down. If we look at the clasp on, you can see that there's some teeth broken at the back, and you can definitely see the metal. If we take that partial denture out, you can see she's actually missing all of her front teeth. She's also got problems with the back teeth in that there's some decay. Some of these teeth are broken down and they've got missing fillings. And also on the right-hand side, upper right-hand side, you can see there's another tooth that's broken down, another back tooth that has decay too and broken down. What we actually do with all our patients is we do a digital smile design, which means that we want to really make sure that the teeth we put in is in harmony with the rest of the face. So we look at certain points and landmarks on their face and actually design the smile around those landmarks. And this is really important because you've probably seen sometimes people getting cosmetic treatment, and you kind of look at them and you feel that the smile doesn't really suit them. Basically, our technician Patrick, he has actually designed the case, so you can see he's actually picked some teeth here on some models, and we're going to test this to make sure that it fits the patient perfectly. So this is day of surgery. This is Doreen. We use a lot of video because one of the important things is to actually plan cases around videos, and the reason for that is that we know that patients will actually smile a certain way when we take a photo, but when we use video we're able to see how the lips move, we're able to check phonetics and make sure that at the end we get the best result. This is actually the all-on-4 trial, and this is actually the all-on-4 actually on a model of the patient's mouth, and this is us 2 days after surgery. You can see she's quite puffy actually because she's had her teeth taken out, but what we're doing here is we're analysing to see how the smile actually looks. My role here is during this trial is that Patrick and I are really looking at all angles and just checking the bite to make sure the bite is even, but checking that the patient's appearance and everything is fine. Let's look at a video when she first sees her teeth. Again, we're going to analyse her smile because this is actually just a trial. So if there's any changes that need to be made, we're able to actually do that. We're just basically checking that all of the planes and all the marks are actually correct. And Patrick and I will then look at changing the bite and actually changing the teeth if we find that the teeth or the position of the teeth are not actually correct. So at the final all-on-4 here, you can see the teeth, and the wax has now been changed to acrylic. So this is the before photo and the after photo here. If you have any questions, you can give us a ring at 1-800-SMILING, and we offer complimentary visits to discuss your options. Or you can email me direct at dradrian@adaperth.com.au. I look forward to seeing you in the practice.